They have not reported to you. Why did you see the hospital? Why it has come to my knowledge? Why not to you?
I have been but they have not.
They have not reported. I will suspend you, then I will let you know. They have not reported, but rubbish you are talking. It is your duty to visit the hospital to ensure that every facility is being provided to them. And I feel ashamed. He is a joint director. I mean, secretary, joint secretary. Health. And he's taking, he have not reported. What does it mean? If they don't report, patient will not get anything. It's your duty to see. And you are the heading. And surprised how this your road. I will have to take a serious action. About the whole of your system you have developed.
Just written it down. Then no guide is provided.
Ever, not yet started ever. Not that 2 days they have never started. Now, how is it the hospital in that case? Equipments are lying locked. They are not getting anything to eat here. What is being done? What you will do? I will do it now. I will do it now. मैं देखता हूँ कैसे नहीं होता है. How do you remain in service?